Ngi pria sabai pi baro syagani ka channel ka jungi ban ngia kerman ba pia syai pia khlanlot. Hagani ka video ka ba menta ka sngi ngi nyepai igin ki post ki brang shlai thamai. Subscribe igani ka channel but turn on your notification bell ru khana ba pinum do iki videos ki bangi upload. Yakini ki post la palai ka State Rural Employment Society lenika SRES Southwest Khasi Hills District Maukurwan mentau banai araja apsau. Ikuteng juga niki post kilongkum ni Additional Program Officer MGN REGA CLN IBP bat ka Block Technical Assistant MGN REGA. Yakini ki post kin sepelong yaka walk-in interview haka arpo terik banai Jun araja apsau. Yaka post Additional Program Officer kabalai tangkawai ka age limit kande kat kumki anjong ka Government of Meghalaya kajaka jong ka posting kade hapo makurwat leni hapo ranikor ka salary leni ko trop kade arsan hajar rakshi banai ba penyoru yiki allowances ka educational qualification kalongkumne klade ban pendap ya ka post graduation degree na kanono ka recognized university leni institution haka social work leni sociology leni economics leni agriculture economics leni rural development leni kiwi pat ki fields ki bayahap Pidan kamru minimum LAITKAM work experience haka field jangka rural development but community mobilization community institutional building but gender sensitization training nakabenta ka rural development schemes jangka state lani central government lani kiwi pat ki schemes yaga post block technical assistant kabalai artali kajika jang posting kade hapo makurwat lani hapo ranikor ke age limit kade katkum ki anjang ka Government of Meghalaya ka salary kade arpo 8000 hakshi banai bat penyoru yaki allowances ke educational qualification kalongkum ni klade ban pendap ya ka BTech lani ka BE haka civil engineering nagono ka recognized institution lani university pidan kam minimum LAITKAM work experience haki field ki behap Yaki candidates ki belong eligible bagi bakwaban apply yakini ki post kin sepenlong yaka walk-in interview haka office of the Deputy Commissioner Southwest Khasi Hills District Makurwan nado kanai steng step sheneng